This is a video for T Carpentry and home renovation. Just built this oak bar in the corner of a pool house. As you can see, the lovely veneered grains on there. And then a lovely solid oak worktop all the way along. On the corner here, all the grain matches up on the bar, and the grain matches up all the way down the corner. We've boxed this section out. Again, as you can see, the grain all matches across and also matches around the boxing. Then there's a lid here, drops down there. Again, all the grain matches in all the way along to the wall there. Lift this up. Behind here, again you've got a lovely oak veneered drop there. All the detail on here. This is where the dishwasher's going. This is where the oven's going. This is where the fridge is going to go, and all on the top here is going to be granite. So we've left a 30mm gap all the way along to accommodate that, and then we've just put some basic shelving in all the way around here, and then there's going to be a sink over in that corner there. Call Jason 07888 714 733, T Carpentry and home renovation.